2022 is leaving. Let's ring in 2023 in style. Welcome back. And today we're going to be creating the Coronation cocktail. It was in Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book in 1930s. The idea is that it's for the 1902 coronation of King Edward VII. It's similar to a martini, just that instead of utilizing gin or vodka, we're using sherry for this. I've never had it. Let's go ahead and let's make this, and let's bring out 2022 in style. This is, of course, a stirred cocktail. Go and grab a mixing glass, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill this up with ice. So now for this, I need 3 dashes of orange bitters. This is Reagan's orange bitters, of course. If you have Angostura, use it. If you have Fees, use it. Use any orange bitters that you have. And now I need 2 dashes of maraschino liqueur. This is a dash bottle done by Barfly Mixology. I will try to have a link down in the description below. I got these a couple weeks ago. Now for the interesting stuff. I need 2 ounces of a dry vermouth. I am using Noilly Prat. This will also seem very similar to the Adonis or the bamboo cocktails from last month. And now for the final. This is Fino Sherry. Tio Pepe Pelomino Fino. Pick your poison. I'm just using this because, well, I have it. An ounce of Fino Sherry. Ice is already in. Grab your bar spoon, down, stir until very cold. Grab yourself a Nicanora or a small coupe, something that is suitable for this. Julep strainer in and pour. The Coronation. Cheers. Vermouth forward. The sherry adds a nuttiness. The maraschino adds a little sweetness. I'm pleasantly surprised at the slight sweetness from the maraschino. The addition of a little bit of depth from the orange bitters. Overall, not bad. I mean, again, personal favorite? No. If someone were to hand me this and say, drink it, okay. You know, I do not have anything against a cocktail like this. From my beginner's bar to everyone watching, I wish you a very happy and healthy 2023. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. You make a purchase, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you. Find all my socials right here. Try to be on my personal YouTube page. Doesn't always happen. I apologize. A toast to the farewell of 2022 and a ring in of a beautiful new year. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.